Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the AC pressure switch, guys. That's what it looks like. Okay, right here on GMC Terrain, guys. We're talking specifically about that generation from year 2010 to 2017. Stay with us, we'll talk about that. Please do not waste your money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. And by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way, guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money, guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos, guys, that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. For the AC pressure switch, which fuses, relays we need to check. By the way, before we proceed with that, guys, always test the AC pressure switch before replacing it. We have videos on our YouTube channels how to test AC pressure switch, which is not complicated at all. And what you guys need to do here now, we will demonstrate on that generation GMC Terrain. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in it. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain fuse box location and diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. And what we guys need to do here now, we need to pop the hood open, facing the engine on the right side. This is the driver's side here. Okay, you see that's the brake fluid reservoir. Next to it is the main engine fuse box. Here you have a clip and a clip there. Release them, leave the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here, guys, we need to check 2 fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box, check 2 more. The main fuses that you need to check specifically here, we're talking about fuse number 31 and relay 62. You see, guys, this is fuse 31, this is relay 62 right here, very important components. Then we need to open the passenger door. In the footwell compartment, you see on the side of the center console here, you have a cover. Go ahead, pull that cover out, and underneath, okay, you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Specifically here, guys, we need to check a few more fuses. We are talking about fuse, guys, now. And the first one is fuse number 12, so that's 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 right here. Okay, that's fuse number 12 that you need to check. Then we need to locate fuse number 14, which is that fuse here. And then you need to check fuse number 29. Right here. These are the main, guys, things that we check. Now, if you have a problem where the AC doesn't work, AC blows hot, warm air, we have video on the channel that will explain the top things about that, how to fix it, what you need to check, and what we see quite often here at the garage. So, guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere, guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there. So get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below with you, where you can get them from. Check check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.